Before we get started with working on our server, it's important to understand why we're using a command console and command lines to administer our server. Whether you're on a Mac, Windows, or Linux computer, you're probably used to navigating your way around using a graphical user interface, such as your desktop. We're used to seeing icons, applications, and conducting day-to-day computing operations visually. When we create a virtual server with any cloud hosting provider, we've essentially created a computer that is located in a remote location and installed an operating system, in our case, Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a Linux distribution, and it too has a graphical user interface. The only problem is we can't hook up a screen, keyboard, and mouse to our server because it's not physically accessible. For this reason, we need to communicate instructions to our remote server using command lines. Just about any action you can perform with the mouse and keyboard on your home computer can be done through command lines. Be it browsing folders, deleting, copying, or even editing files. We can do much more. These are just a few examples. Though it might sound difficult and time-consuming, using command lines is fairly easy. We'll explore many of the commonly used command lines in the lesson to follow. Another bit of good news is once we're done our initial setup using command lines, we can install a remote desktop service on our server to be able to see our Ubuntu desktop GUI and navigate our way around the same way we would on our home computer.